Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Savvy World. In today's videos, we are going to talk about NCC B and C certificate examination. Currently, I am completed my C certificate examination. Paper is of moderate type, not so easy, not so tough. So in today's videos, we are going to talk about NCC B certificate syllabus. So the first topic is drill. Here, generally, what we practice in field, that simple questions are asked, like in which leg the thumb position, the thumb command is given to you, and etc. What is the angle between your toes in condition of Savdhan position? What is the distance between feet in Vishram position? This kind of questions are asked in drill section. Second is weapon training. In weapon training, you should know the different parts of SLR, INSAS, and .2 mm rifle. So you have to remember their name, what is their muzzle velocity, about their effective range area, etc. The third topic is fieldcraft, battlecraft. So here you should know how we contact in field. I mean, what are the type of communication in field, like connect means by weapon, by whistle, by hand, we contact there. So this kind of questions are asked in fieldcraft, battlecraft. The third is map reading. It's so simple topic. Here you should know what is map, how many types of map are there, what is compass, their types, and etc. And you should learn about map. I mean, different colors of line, what they represent, what are the direction, what kind of north are there. And the fourth topic is communication. So mostly students are worried about this topic. So what kind of questions are asked? It's also so simple. You should know how army person contact, how they communicate with each other. Like communication are of two type, verbal and non-verbal. And here line communication, interpersonal communication. You should learn about these things also. And the sixth one is military history. In military history, you should know what is Paramveer Chakra, to whom that was given, about gallantry awards in peacetime, in wartime. This kind of question you should know. And the seventh topic is obstacle training. So generally this topic contain only one question: what are different kind of obstacle training in NCC? Zigzag, high wall, jump, double ditch, etc. are there. And some common subject topics are personality development. What is personality? How things are helpful to develop our personality, and which kind of things affect our personality, etc. Second is leadership. So in this, generally you should know what the quality of a good leader, how you can become a good leader. So you can write this answer by your point of view, but you should learn something like they should have, they, I mean, honest, brave, confident. You should know about these things. And the third topic is disaster management. So in this topic, generally they asked what NCC cadet can do during some natural disaster, and what type of disaster are there, like natural and man-made, etc. And the fourth topic is social services. So in social services, question are asked like during flood, how NCC cadet help to civilians, what they can do. This type of question asked in social services topic. So as per me, if you cover these 11 topics, so you can easily achieve alpha grading in your B certificate examination. If you want a detailed videos on what kind of question asked, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you.